GrapeCity Documents for Excel.NET Edition is a fast, efficient spreadsheet API that enables you to generate, load, modify, and save spreadsheets. In this video, we'll add built-in themes to an Excel workbook. First, add the required namespaces. Initialize the workbook. Add a worksheet and a range of data to it. Add a table and assign the range of data to it. Create a theme. Choose a built-in theme and set the theme on the workbook. Save the workbook and run it. We've created a table with the built-in theme. To set a custom theme, you can find the full GCExcel demo at grapecity.com.